I think that as a beginner to intermediate, it's really important to actually see the rewards of your effort, especially with SEO, because it can take a long time if you don't choose the right keywords to see any traction at all, and that can be really discouraging. So for people who are just getting started with SEO or even intermediate, like I would consider myself, it can just be really important to start with those easy to rank keywords first. And so you can see that it's actually working and actually happening, so that you can see, oh, all I have to do is just keep doing this and keep doing more of it. And it's going to get, it's going to build more and more traffic over time. So it's going to be focused on kind of quick wins, easy wins. So what are the goals in this method? The number one goal is to, get traffic, obviously, but we're going to do that by achieving topical authority as quickly as possible. So I'll explain more of what that means. You've probably heard of it if you've looked at any SEO recently, but basically it's the idea of just getting Google to recognize you as a source of information for a particular topic. And it's not that hard to achieve. A lot of people make it seem really hard, but it's not that hard. So that's going to be the overall strategy, and we're going to have a variety of methods to get that done. The other goal is to publish content as quickly as possible, and the two goals are going to feed into each other, but this is going to be a really specific method for being able to publish content quickly with very little effort and without having to outsource it to any other people or manage a team or anything like that. I'm a solopreneur. I like to work alone, and so I need methods that leverage technology and software to be able to help us publish as fast as possible. So those are the two goals, is achieving topical authority as quickly as possible and publishing content as quickly as possible, but in a way that is going to be sustainable and be seen as legitimate content from Google, so that you can have long-term sustainability as well.